Herkese merhaba arkadaşlar. Bugün sizlerle Kurt Adam oyununun 5. bölümüyle sizlerleyiz ve hadi bakalım bak. En son bir kızın şeyini bulduk, kafasını. Hemen anlatayım diğer bölümü. Bir kızın kafası bulduk ve o ağzına baktık, ağzında şey vardı. Yüzük. Biz de eve mi gideceğim, kızla mı kalacaksın diye bir şey yapmıştık. Ben kızı seçtim çünkü ev çok önemli değil. Ben yana olurum ben. Hayır, ben kızdanım.
Hey, Snow. You alright? I'm really not sure how much time we have.
Tribe bak, kız hayır dedik diye.
Where are you going? Are we done? No, not yet. Done? I've seen enough. But... Okay. We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Big P, do you have any idea what's going on? This is a message. A message? I don't know, Big B. I get complaints at the office all the time, but just what about this makes you think that? The woodsman threatened to kill her with me in the room. Maybe he wants me to know that he did it. I suppose it's possible. I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it. I guess it's useless to drag it out. That's how I feel too. I'm sure he won't be happy, but it's just part of the process. Hopefully he can be rational about it. I wouldn't hold my breath. I'm not. I just don't want him interfering. Crane's not what's important right now. We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a look at it. I'll meet you at the business office.
Anladığıma göre bu kızın evimizde kalmasına izin verdik. Biz de şu an orada kalacağız. Ya da kalmayacağız. Ya da onun orada otelde de evi var.
What are you, blind? Well, you don't see there's a line?
Oğlum vallahi de bak canımı sıkma döverim.
You get to just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like. I know. I'm taking cuts. Is that supposed to be funny? You see anyone here laughing, Sheriff? Fucker. Yes, I see.
Because you were the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I
Kızma
do.
kıza lan.
Snow,
You asked me a question.
don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a disaster.
Back off, Ichabod. It's not her fault. I don't need your help, Big B.
Instead of trying to assign
O seni ilgilendirmez dedi bize.
catch the fucker who did this. Oh, says the man who is most to blame for this catastrophe. How convenient. Sheriff, you are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost someone their life and the safety of the entire community. Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing.
The woodsman is a person of interest. From what we've been able to gather, he was last seen with the victim.
The woodsman? That trunk wrench was the cause of this?
It's a lead. Nothing's certain yet.
Well, find him. Get him in here if that's all you have to go on. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow,
Yes? Sir?
call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase? No, bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right. Do your job, Sheriff. Or we'll find someone who can.
You know what?
Stop. We'll get on it right away, sir. You would have just pissed him off more.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better. Well, maybe we should have dragged it out.
For what it's worth, I still think it was better to tell him.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and... Never mind. Smoke away.
What an asshole.
Yep. That was about an 8 on the asshole scale. Asshole scale? Well, that doesn't sound right.
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully.
Abi baksana.
Buffkin,
Hello, Miss Snow.
drinking this early? Where did you get that?
Sen bizi bilmiyordun diyor.
Then don't you think it
Oha
probably
aslan
belongs to
maymun
him?
ve kuş karışımı.
Maybe.
Acı bana dedi.
How are you today, Mr.
Bunun
Bigby?
gözleri mi yok lan?
Hasn't been a great morning, Buffkin. Sorry. Not your fault. Thanks for asking.
Buffkin, get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
Not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere. We'll at least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, poke around. Maybe the mirror can help. I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything. Hello, Vivian? Hi, this is Snow White, Mr. Prince's sister.
Lan.
Hi, yes, I'm just...
Worth a try.
Yes, that's right.
Ayna ben mi daha güzelim?
Hey, Magic Mirror. I got a question. You know the rule. I don't have time for this shit.
Your impatience is callow. You're needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history rules.
Mirror, mirror. If you're able, tell me all about this fable.
Is that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that. Fine. Of which fable do you wish to know?
Show me the woodsman. Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman stumbles down a street.
Oh shit, which street?
I'm sorry, Bigby. I can only show you what can be seen.
Show me Snow White.
Not much of a request. She's in this very room.
Show me Buffkin. Hey, put down the bottle and get to work. Still looking. I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do, I can't help you.
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
Neyse arkadaşlar videonun sonuna gelmeye bence siz like atmayı unutmayın. Çıkan şuraya tıklayarak beğenirsiniz. Kurt Adam bölümüne gidebilirsiniz. Hoşçakalın.